It's me, Mixo channel, and today we stealing some ice cream from kids. Who is ready to do it? Okay, joking. You can. It's bad to be bullied. Bruh. Bullying. Don't bully. No, you can't. Bruh. I can't. Bruh. I don't know how to do it. Okay. This broski is too rich. Yeah. I steal your ice cream. What you gonna do about it? Yeah, 360. I gotta do the 360 on him. Yeah, that was fresh. Thank you. 360 on him. I feel like now I feel a little bit bad because I'm, doing 360 on this guy. Like 360. Yahoo! Hey, we doing good so far. 34. Now it's the brother. I hate this game, okay? Hey, we got some money. I like it. Money. Okay. We should go in desert. I mean, I want to go there in desert. Ice cream. Let me buy some ice cream. It's Robux. Wait. Here's some other stuff. I think this ain't costing me Robux. Yeah. But we can't afford any of those. Because we poor. We need to. Okay, let me get nerd. Yeah, give me the nerd. Yeah. Give me the ice cream. Brother. We zooming right now. I don't know why this game feels so funny, but I mean like this is like bad. This ain't good. Like you can't do this, but I don't know why, but this feels so funny to play this game. Okay. Let's run away, far away. Yeah. Okay. Brother, I got stuck. That doesn't count, brother. What are those? Okay. That doesn't count, okay? Gravity coil. I don't want your dirty gravity coil. Okay. Let's go. Okay, let's solve this labyrinth. Let's go on top of the hill. Nah. We ain't cheating, okay? Okay, we ain't cheating. I changed my mind, okay? We ain't gonna go on top of the hill. Yeah, we gonna cheat. Like, oh, what is this lonely kid doing here? Let me cut you real quick. This game is a little bit glitchy though. Okay, let me cook. Let's see what I can do here. Let's jump. Nah, I ain't cheater. I ain't gonna cheat, okay? Okay, let's go inside, and I'm not good at labyrinths, okay? I don't know where I'm going. I think I mean, watch this. This is aura, okay? Okay, I'm gonna solve this. Okay, that was fun, but we gonna solve this now. And this is aura. Let's go, aura. Okay, aura music. Editor, put the aura music. Okay. Good. That was aura. That was Sigma. Like Sigma is Sigma. Okay, let's solve this again. Let's go here. Okay. That's minus aura, okay? Let's go here. Okay. Another minus. Negative aura. Okay. Let's go over here. Okay, I think I'm lost or something. Yeah, rip. Rip everything what I have gone through. Okay, now I need to jump so I can see. Oh, that was a little bit cheating. Okay, that's minus aura. Okay, I can't jump. Brother. Okay, that was minus aura, okay. But it doesn't count, okay? It doesn't count. Looking good. It ain't looking good. We're gonna steal somebody's ice cream that ain't good. Okay, you rich kid. Let's go. Okay, eat it up. Okay, why I can't eat this? Let me eat it. Now it lets me to eat it. Yahoo! Let me eat it. Okay. Let me cook. Wait. I'm doing crazy over here. 360. Okay. Okay, let me speed run it. Broski doesn't know where to go. I'm driving him crazy. Yeah, this kid is absolutely cooked. I'm driving him crazy. I'm zooming. And now I just run away. Okay, now I feel a little bit evil. And 1 minute is full. Let's go. Let me cook. Wait a minute. We ain't gonna get stuck. Okay? We ain't gonna get stuck. Heksna. I think we can beat my last record. I mean, we already beat it. Brother. Seriously. What is happening? Hey, yo! Nah, I ain't gonna buy your dirty thing. Hey, we can afford something, but I don't know. Now we ain't gonna afford nothing, bruh. Why? Why am I doing this? Brother? And why I look so dumb on that? Okay. Can we now go in the classic? What you mean classic? We can't go there. Can we go in this? Bruh, not enough money. I hate this. I want money, okay? Give me money. Okay. Just give me my money. I think I did the same mistake in last video. Brother. And if you haven't seen my last video, it was about getting a drink at 3 a.m. If you like my content, you can just go and watch it on my YouTube channel. We got Bloxicola and $1,000. I think that was 1,000. Yay, we got in now everything's okay again. But still, we got the $1,000. It's very, very good. Now I sound like Indian scammer. I ain't gonna scam you. I'm only gonna scam these kiddos ice cream. What? If you guys know what that Bloxicola does, by the way, can you comment down below? Or then I gonna solve the problem by myself. 360 on him. This game is so fun. 360 on him. Let's go. These other kids are just looking like, what you doing? Okay, let's run. Are we gonna solve this with one kid behind us? No way. How did I miss that? Look at this. No, look at this face. This is face what has when I'm sad. Okay, I'm sad, but I'm not that sad. Okay, let's hack this. Okay, we hacking. Okay, we're gonna hack this thing. Speed running this thing. Don't call me hacker on the comments. Okay, it's not cheating or hacking. It's just I'm doing it with my own way. Okay, it ain't cheating. Let's go. Okay. Okay, and now I'm kind of lost. Bruh. Where I'm going? Okay. I think my calculations are very, very wrong. Because I'm going opposite brother. I'm cheating and still can't handle this one labyrinth thing. Finally. Now give me my money. Okay. Cringe again. Okay. Let's got this thing. Now we can upgrade. Give me the money upgrade. Now we can get more money. What's in the stats? Okay, and the badges. Welcome, you died. World 2, World 3. I already came in World 2. What should happen? Oh, we got more money. Yay, now we can get some ice cream thing. What is this? Is this my taxes? Redeem code. Visits 5 million. I think that was million. I'm unstoppable. Okay. Let's read that code. Read that code. I think that's how you say that. Okay. Now reading. Mamma mia, we got the money. We got very, very much money. Okay. I ain't gonna scam your bank account, don't worry. I sound like an Indian hacker. Or scammer. Or what was it? But trust me, I ain't hacker. Hey, I'm starving. Okay. Welcome, you died. How I can got that one badge? Yeah, we can't do nothing. Now why this is inviting? Hex now. Okay. Here's nothing. Okay, let's just go back to the labyrinth, I think. Now we gonna sprint our way out of here. Hey, wait a minute, I think I know how the Bloxicula works. You drink it, and now you got more stamina. Yeah, it ain't working. Yeah, it ain't working. Yep, let me drink this real quick. It ain't working. Okay. 360, yoo 360. I'm clutching this little kid. Hey, I'm next step Curry. Okay, I ain't next step Curry. Look at how smart I am. Brother. Bruh. Why? Tell me why? I don't like this game. And this guy has been standing here like a while. Okay. Let me get this one key. Okay. Pop. I gonna steal your ice cream and eat it. Nom. Nom. Eat all of it. Okay. Let's go. Brr. We got kidnapped by a little kid. I think that what happens. 25 chance we gonna wait that. Okay, let's shop from here. Well, we can chocolate classic. I want that classic. My turn. Okay, you skin. Okay, let's test this bad boy. Okay, let's take it. Bruh. 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 I hate this. I already said that, but I need to say it again. I hate this game, okay? I hate... Okay, let me eat this. Nom nom nom. Not gonna lie, it's looking pretty good and stuff. Let me... Oh, 360 on him. That was clutchy, 360 on him. Okay, we ain't doing 360 on him. Okay. Can we... Let me spin this. Wait a minute. That's one of the best ones. I mean, that's top 3, I think. Bruh. Okay, free gift, climb. I am... Mamma mia! Okay, let me cook. Brother. I hate this game. Okay, let me get the upgrades now. Let me get the money upgrade. I can just spam it. It's maxed. Let me get the gem multi-pillar. I think that's how you say it. Okay. And now we're out of gems. I mean, like, we have like 10 of those, but still, we need to get upgrades. Serious ones. Bruh. That was clean. That was the cleanest thing ever. Did you guys see that? That was clean. Like the cleanest thing that I have ever seen. Like under the ramp. I don't know what is there. Still, I'm on the air doing the 360 on the kid and clutching it. I mean, it wasn't that clutchy, but still. Let me cut these kiddos. Yeah, I can steal your ice cream. Yum. Okay. That wasn't that clean. I mean, like, how did I do that? Like, that wasn't same clean, but still that was clean. Like, on the air and... Okay. In the air and 360. That wasn't even that clean though. But the one in the air, that was clean. Okay, let's clutch this kid. Where's that kid though? Can we jump on the other side of this? We can't. Bro, that was another 360 fail. Okay. What was that? That was little glitchy. That was double jump. How did I do some sort of double jump thing? Okay, this that 360 doesn't feel that, you know. And we died. Well, what else we can do? We just died in the game. And we ain't getting your free gift, okay? Thank you, but I ain't getting that. Unlock all. 6k money. That's pretty much though. That's pretty much. I like it. Okay. Let's see. 33. Let me know, by the way, do you guys want part 2 of this? Because I think this is little interesting. Gravity coil. Let's go. Okay. Not a kid who's stuck. Let me help you out. I can't. Okay, jump on the wall. Jump on the wall. Yay. We can't jump on the wall. I ain't doing this. Hey, maybe if I stand on the kids and then stamp. Okay, it's little working, okay? Okay, now jump on. Jump. Does it have some sort of invisible barrier or something? Why you all happy about that I'm standing on top of your head? Okay, wait. Let me jump. Bruh. Let me jump. Yeet. I just wanted to yeet myself away. And even when I'm sprinting, that ain't even enough. Let me steal this kid's ice cream. Yay. No, I'm stuck. That was the biggest fail ever. That was the biggest fail in my life. I think I'm gonna cry. This is the saddest moment ever. Okay, but by the way, make sure you like, subscribe, and put the notifications on, and just comment down below if you want another part. Ciao.